This is the Iowa Weather Report for Monday, June the 17th, 2013. And now our first look at the GFS Model Run, the 0C run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have a west to northwesterly flow aloft, some energy across the plains and also down to our south and west. Big upper level feature moving into the northwest, but around here GFS wants to put in a few showers and maybe a thunderstorm. The better chances will be off to our south across Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas, but we really can't rule out an isolated shower or storm here with highs in the upper 70s to mid 80s. It'll be a bit cooler Tuesday with 70s to low 80s across the state. GFS wants to print some showers around. That'll likely be some haze or some early morning fog. Otherwise, it'll be mostly to partly sunny. Wednesday looks to be about the same with high pressure over the Great Lakes nosing into our neck of the woods. The GFS wants to put some showers possible in the western counties of the state. It'll likely be some increasing clouds there with no rain activity until possibly Thursday, where there'll be a frontal system keeping the cool air that's off to our east from the really hot weather off to our south and west. So some showers and storms will be possible at least west of Interstate 35 Thursday, maybe across the entire state Friday, but the GFS isn't very bullish on this. If this was to be right, we would have very isolated activity, maybe a 20 to 30% crack at it with highs well into the 80s. Same goes for Saturday. There'd be a chance of some showers and storms, but the GFS doesn't really seem to think there'll be too many. So we'll have to wait and see if this changes or becomes less and less likely for rain. Sunday doesn't look much better for rainfall either, but there still may be a chance of some showers and storms as well. Highs will be well into the 80s at this point with some sunshine around. A week from today, as we head into the new work week next week, Monday, we still have a fairly zonal flow across most of the country, a ridge pumping up over western Canada, however. With the energy around us, that still means we'll have a chance of some showers and thunderstorms, and this is where the GFS gets a lot more bullish on the rainfall here a week from today. So we'll have to see if this was to continue or it gets more bullish for the upcoming weekend. We'll have to wait and see. A couple days after that, on the 28th, we have another system moving across the southern portions of Canada over Saskatchewan, but we have pretty much a ridge over most of the country extending out from the Atlantic, and that'll keep southwesterly winds around here with temperatures probably nearing 90 or a couple degrees either side of that, with some showers and thunderstorms from the Mississippi River eastward, likely in the afternoon into the evening. And at the end of the forecast on July the 2nd, we have a northwesterly flow aloft with the heat more or less over the southwest and over the east coast. But around here, with that slight northwesterly flow, if this was to pan out, that'll keep temperatures down into the 80s with some showers and thunderstorms possible. But we've seen anything from a heat wave to this, so no real confidence in this forecast, at least at this time. The satellite image from last evening showed a complex of showers and thunderstorms over Nebraska, Kansas, into the Oklahoma and Texas panhandles. Cloudiness extended across the Tennessee and middle Mississippi River Valley off to the mid-Atlantic, and a couple clouds over the northwest. The watch warning map from last evening, we had a severe thunderstorm watch over Kansas and Oklahoma with several severe thunderstorm warnings, a flash flood watch over southeastern Kansas, some flash flood warnings in Missouri and in Oklahoma, and the rest of the nation was fairly quiet. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Friday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall amounts around here are going to be fairly light or minuscule at this point, maybe a tenth or a quarter of an inch, maybe up to a half an inch in any areas.